This is a Medeco M3 cam lock. So to try to get into it, I'm gonna break out the Lock Tool 78 thousandths or 2 millimeters, and the number 3 from the Reaper set. So 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. One, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4-pin purple belt version. This isn't the brown belt 5-pin. 3, 4. Nothing there yet. One, 2, 3. All right. 1. Okay. So I pushed the plunger and I think I just had number 4 overset a little bit, and when I just let off the tension just a little bit, it opened. But that's the Medeco M3 cam lock 4-pin purple belt version.